Hola, 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 Shapfiru Huzet Bafetu. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAT Ski. And I hope everyone is having a great day today. And on this one today, we got you Kaizer Chiefs and Kevin Johnson on Mfundo Vilagazi. But before we jump straight ahead on those news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section, and stay subscribed to Everything SAT Ski. On this one, we got you Kevin Johnson on Vilagazi. Vilagazi should start at Chiefs, exclusively discusses Europe move. Former Kaizer Chiefs coach Kevin Johnson believes teenage sensation Mfundo Vilagazi should be a regular starter at Naturena based on what the youngster brings to the team. Speaking to Everything SAT Ski in an exclusive interview, Johnson praised the midfielder who was representing South Africa at the under-20 at the World Cup in Chile while identifying areas for improvement in his development. My friend, I think Mfundo Vilagazi has got a very bright future ahead of him. Where he is now, he is probably proving people wrong that he should be starting at Kaizer Chiefs, and also as he keeps his feet on the ground and do as much as he can in reading the game properly and improve on that and get his physicality at another level, then I think he is going to be a very good player, Kevin Johnson told Everything SAT Ski. However, the former Kaizer Chiefs mentor declined to speculate on why the talented teenager is not currently featuring as a regular starter under the current coaching setup. That's my opinion, my friend, why he is not a starter. You have to find out from Kaizer Chiefs. That's conversations you have to ask Chiefs, he told Everything SAT Ski. Johnson observed when discussing Mfundo Vilagazi's potential European prospects. Johnson provided a detailed analysis of the challenges young players face when making the transition to Europe football. I think he has got a lot to prove to move to Europe, because when you look at what's happening in Europe at the moment, then it draws a completely different picture. When you look at who is in Europe now and who is at the top players in Europe, then to put Mfundo in with those players. Johnson highlighted the emergency of young talents at top Europe clubs as the benchmark for Mfundo Vilagazi's development. In Europe, you have to got Yamin Lamar. Maybe 60% of the Barcelona team at the moment is the same age as Mfundo Vilagazi when you look at the top clubs. And I am only saying top clubs because they have younger players. When you look at Liverpool, they have got a 15 or 16-year-old playing on the right wing, left wing. To look at Arsenal, they have got young players. Look at Manchester City, they have got a few young players. So when you look at the clubs, young players that are playing at the top teams, then we have to compare him to them because he plays for a top team in South Africa. You understand what I'm saying? Whether he is ready to go to Europe and play for a bit of a smaller team, that's another story. Johnson told Everything SAT Ski. Former Amakosi coach emphasized that Vilagazi's decision on when to make a Europe move should be carefully considered based on individual goals and readiness, whether they are looking, because the dynamics of the football that the similar teams in Europe are using the older players so that they can stay in the Premier League, while the bigger teams are blending in the young players because they say, this is the next generation. So I don't know if it's either going to be difficult or simple, but he has the opportunity. It's up to him individually. What does he want to do? Where does he want to play in Europe? When you want to play in Europe, you have to be physically strong, mentally, and a better level. And you got to know that is if an offer comes for me and I have to play in Portugal, in Belgium, or Sweden, this is what I got to do to get into better teams in Europe. If you look at it, there is a player that went over when he was very young. He is not moving anywhere. He is staying in Belgium, but he is making a name for himself. So it depends on what you want as an individual. Johnson concluded by reaffirming his belief in Mfundo Vilakazi's talent, while emphasizing the importance of individual ambition in his career development. The bottom line is, I know he is a good player. That's what he stated with Everything SAT Ski News. So let me know what you think about those news from your boy Isaac Wasio Nice, Everything SAT Ski. Please make sure you smash that subscribe button. However,
nice game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is